Join me as I put the iPhone 16 Pro to the test and decide if it's really worth the upgrade. The iPhone 16 Pro has hit the market, and it's making some serious waves in the Apple lineup. With each new release, Apple raises the bar, and the anticipation around this phone is no different. Today, we're diving deep into whether this latest model deserves a spot in your pocket or if holding onto your current iPhone is the better choice. Every year, iPhone users face that tough decision: should I upgrade to the latest model or stick with what I've got? It's a dilemma that feels familiar, especially when considering whether the new features would actually enhance your experience. Many of us get attached to our devices, and when you've invested in the one you have, change can be hard. We often weigh performance against price, not to mention the comfort of familiarity with our current phone's user interface. Think about it, the excitement of the new features can be compelling, but there's also the need for practicality. With slight improvements every year, it's easy to wonder if the hype around the newest model will translate into real-life benefits. Is the upgrade really worth it, or is it just a shiny new toy to entice you to spend more money? It's a fair question that countless iPhone users ponder. The iPhone 16 Pro comes packed with some impressive upgrades. First off, there are the camera enhancements, which promise to take your photography to the next level with improved low-light performance and advanced zoom features. Who doesn't want to snap those stunning shots effortlessly? Performance-wise, Apple always aims to push the envelope, and the new chip is said to make everything smoother and faster, from gaming to multitasking. The battery life has also been given a boost, so it might just last you throughout the day without needing a mid-afternoon charge. Comparing the iPhone 16 Pro to its predecessor shows some interesting reasons to consider an upgrade. The new display technology offers richer colors and better brightness, making your content look even more incredible. If you're into gaming or streaming, that could be a game changer. Also, the battery improvements mean you can enjoy your device longer without worrying about finding an outlet. For those who rely on their phones for everything, these features could be massively appealing. At the end of the day, everything boils down to personal preference and usage. If photography, gaming, or simply a faster phone are high on your list of priorities, then upgrading to the iPhone 16 Pro could be a no-brainer. On the flip side, if your current device still meets your needs and functions well, you might feel secure sticking with it a little longer. What do you think? Is the iPhone 16 Pro calling your name, or are you content with your current iPhone? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to check out my other videos for more tech insights.